Hi fellow viewers, to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is applicable only here in the Philippines. So therefore, Pinoy, Pinas, Pilipinas, Philippines. Okay? Okay, my next acronyms or abbreviations is found in GMA 7 show. Excuse me. Inaubo lang konti. Okay, it is found in GMA 7. This is, for me, I can consider her not necessarily veteran journalist, but 40 years in experience as a journalist from GMA 7. She's a diehard GM7. I'm referring to Jessica Soho's show KMJS. Yes. A lot of you are asking me, is KMJS acronym or abbreviations? That's a good question. The answer is both. Pwede siya acronyms or abbreviations. Only here in GMA 7. Okay, KMJS. That's the acronyms or abbreviations. KMJS stands for Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho. Yes, I'll repeat. KMJS stands for Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho. This is a paid promotion label. And before I say goodbye, don't forget to support, subscribe, and of course, click the notification bell for my next acronyms or abbreviations in my videos or reels. Thank you so much for listening this video. Good afternoon.